Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great start to your week. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded, but that is going to change this week. I hope to be uploading back to a regular schedule. And for today's video, I'm gonna do something really fun and like a really cool technique I learned from Facebook. Just one of those like viral Facebook videos. It's how to contour your boobs. Now it's really cool, like it gives you like a better like effect, like you have more cleavage than you actually do, and it really works and it's really cool, and I just can't wait to show you guys how to do it because it's so much fun and it makes you look amazing. So all you need is a contour palette or a highlight and a contour, and then 2 brushes and a beauty blender. Now the first step, I guess you could like prime the area. I don't do that, but if you want a better, longer lasting effect, that's always an option. As well as setting spray at the end, which I don't do either. I usually just do setting spray on my face. But to apply the actual makeup, I'm going to first take the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to take this highlighter brush from Cala. It's one of those Tarte Make Believe in Yourself ripoffs. So I'm just going to take the shade out of this, and I'm going to take Lyric. And it's this middle one right here. And I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my breast, like where right above where my bra ends. And usually I would do this in like a bra, but I'm not gonna be like that on camera. But I do have a vlog post about this that goes into more detail, and it shows you exactly where. So if you want a longer detailed version of this video, I will link that link down below to my style blog. So I'm just gonna highlight. And a key thing you want to make sure is that you highlight above and below your collarbones, like right above and below the actual bone. And then you want to also highlight your sternum or breastbone. Now for the actual contouring part, I'm going to take this last shade called Sombre from the, or Sombre, I don't know, Sombre, whatever, from the Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to take this Bamboo Slenderizer brush from Tarte, and I'm going to use the small end. And I'm just going to draw like an M shape right outside where I did the highlight, and just go back and forth. And then I'm also going to highlight my actual collarbone, so in the middle of where you did the highlight. Now there you have it, and I know that it looks a little drawn on right now, so that's why I'm going to take this damp beauty blender and just blend everything in. And this is a really key step. You want to make sure it blends everything so that you can't tell that your breasts are contoured. Now if you don't have a beauty blender or like a blending brush, you can always use your finger or your hands, and you can even like apply it with your hands because it's super easy and it's not really that technical and like that like elaborate of a application. So when I first started, I know I had a Marc Jacobs contour palette. It had one highlight shade and one contour shade, and I would always just dip my finger in and then just do it on like right here, and it came out perfectly. And then I got some brushes and I started like learning how to use those. But yeah, anyway, this is how you do it. I know it definitely gives your boobs like a push-up effect. Even though I already am wearing push-up bar right now, you can definitely see the before and after of this technique. And I think it's really cool and really awesome, and it gives a great look, and it's super hot. It's great for going out clubbing or whatever. So yeah, and I will link all the products that I used today down below. And remember to like and subscribe and let me know anything that you want to see, and I will see you guys hopefully next week. Bye babes.